talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Stayfree app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you this like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications here, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on night wall reminder, click on it. You come here to night wall reminder, so click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's main night wall reminder, enable with us now. So then here can you select if you want to add it for sleep or here for wake. So that's all you have to do. Here can you control it in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.